YouTube, and today I'm going to be showing you how to remove an immersion heater like this one. So first of all, what I've done is I've cut away some of the insulation covering the cylinder. Some of the tools you'll be needing is a heavy duty immersion heater spanner such as this one, and a good sturdy hammer like so. So first of all, what we're going to do is, once you've removed the insulation from around the tank, grab yourself a pen, a Sharpie or even a pencil, and what you're going to do is you're going to mark on the immersion heater a little line, and then also a little line in line with that line, so you can tell if when you're moving it, if the immersion heater is actually spinning or if you're splitting the tank or something else. This is very important, I find, to find that you actually are getting somewhere with this and you are getting the immersion heater out. So what you want to do is you want to get your sturdy immersion heater and align it on to the immersion heater like so. Now I find going clockwise, as if you're screwing it in, just to loosen the thread, helps remove the immersion heater. Other plumbers might have other options, but this is how I do it. One big swift tap with the hammer just helps loosen the thread and any scale or dirt that's in the thread. So after giving it another quick, short, sharp tap, see if it's moved a little bit, then we can work on unloosening it like I said. Put it on. I find putting it on a slight downhill helps, and then use the side part of your hammer, and as you can see, you saw the immersion spanner move. As you can see, these lines now don't line up, so you definitely know that the immersion heater has moved and you're good to go on continuing to unwind the immersion heater out of the tank. This can be quite a stiff, long, slow process. If you don't get any movement on it, if you cut more insulation away from the tank and get a heat gun on it, I find that also really helps, as it expands the joint and loosens up all the dirt from the immersion. So with this immersion now out, you can see the type of stuff you're looking at. Because it's a heating element, you'll find a scale sits around the heating element quite easily. For demonstration purposes, pretend this is a new immersion heater. I'm now going to show you how to put it into the tank. So what we're going to do, just remove the thermostat for now. But normally you'd make sure you grease up with some jointing compound around the washer, and make sure there's a clean surface around the boss of the immersion pocket. So with that done, what we're going to do is we're going to feed our immersion in to the immersion pocket like so. Feed that in. Now what you want to do is, what I do is I go anti-clockwise first, and you'll hear the click of when the threads line up. So with that clicked in, you can then go clockwise to wind it in. You don't want to cross thread this, because you'll be in a lot of trouble, because the tank will be a weaker material than the immersion heater, so you will actually ruin the tank and you'll have to get a new tank, and that's an expensive thing to go wrong with this simple trick that I've just showed you. With that now lined up, you can then tighten that in. Do it by hand, and then you can give it one quick big push down with any weight. When removing immersions and putting them in, you want to make sure that the tank of water is full or just below the fitting, so you don't split the tank. I hope this video has helped someone. If it has helped, please subscribe and like it, and any tips you have for removing immersions, leave them in the comments and let other people know your thoughts. But for now, hope you have a good day. Don't forget to subscribe.